Okay, I'm going to try to take this out. And lots of times on drawers, you may think, how am I supposed to do that? And on this one, there's a little thing right in here. It's very small, and this one you push down, and the other side you pull up to get the drawer out. Let's see, where is it? Oh, right there. Okay, so this left one up, right one down, and now I'm pushing it down. Now I can gently pull that. And that's how you get those out. Whew. That's going to be kind of tricky to get back in. But see, to get back in, I would just leave it pushed in like that and then line it up and stuff, okay? Now, that might give me a better place to lift up on and see if I can't do this all by myself. Yeah, I know. The other way would be to pull the mattress off by myself, lean it over and all that kind of stuff. I really don't want to do all that. I really don't want to do that. Yeah, this is even going to be tricky. How can I do this easily without breaking my back? Maybe I should put that there. Okay, I'll try it that way. Okay, come on. Come on. Line it up right there. Almost. Whew. Whew. Okay. It looks like I just keep pushing it in there with my foot. Whew. Oh man. Now maybe I can lift it. I can lift it down here. See, I gotta slide it in further. I gotta slide it. There. There. I think I've done it. Whew. Almost got it too far now. There. There. Whew. 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 So I had to do it strategically so I didn't have to lift with my back. Now see there? Look at that. You can't even see that block, can you? See? Look at that. And now for the ultimate test. See, I've only done this side so far. I haven't done the left-hand side yet. And the left-hand side, I'll do that in a minute. But let's get the tray back. This tray should slide right in now. Okay? I'll take a quick measure with my tape before I slide it in. You remember it was 5 3/4 before. And so now, or no, 5 1/2, wouldn't it? And so that's 3/4, 5 1/2. This should be about 6 1/8. About 6 1/8, I'm going to say, right here, or 6. And see, right on the carpet, I've got 6 1/16. And if I push this down a little bit, it'll go down even a little bit. But see, remember, this is about 6 inches. Okay, look at this. All right, right in there now. Okay, be nice and easy for me to take out from here on out. But I'm not done yet, right? I've got to do the other side. Then I've got to take a look at these legs down here, and I may have to pull these out. See, here's another one. And when we put them down there, she's got a label maker, and she puts the labels on the front, so we know exactly what's in there. And well, I'll take a look I'll take a look at that and see. Now there's some middle legs. I'm hoping to be able to reach the middle. Oh man, the middle legs. If I can't reach the middle legs to get I won't be able to slide through there. I'll have to wait until Mommy gets home so I can slide the mattress off. Well, I might be able to do it without her. I guess I can take the mattress, slide it over that way, tilt it, pull one of the box springs, the box out, because there's two boxes usually, and then reach down in there or something. I don't know. I'll just have to see, because I was hoping to do this all without Mommy's help, because she's out and about running some errands, and I wanted to have this whole thing fixed before she got home. So, you know, if you're going to do something like this, you put the plywood under, like I just showed you on this side, and don't forget anything else that's underneath the bed. You're going to have to do stuff with those legs. And I see that where this drawer, where these two drawers were, see how deep it goes? Way back in there. It goes back to about here. There's one little leg about right there with some threads on it, and I'll probably have to do something there too, you know, just to be on the safe side. And if those don't unscrew 3/4, which I don't know, I just don't think they will, because the little slats are 3/4 inch 1x3s or something like that. And so what I may end up doing is just cutting some more blocks about this size, and then I can slip them under the other pieces where they are, and not even have to unscrew them or anything. Do you see what I'm saying? And so I may have to do that, and I think there's nine different areas, boom, 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 3 in the middle, 3 on that side, and 1 over here, so 10 of those. Because see, it's hard to see, but see there's one here, there's one there, and there's one up in there, and those are about here. Okay, then there's another row right down the middle, there's another row over here, and then that other one right in here. 10 of those, son of a gun. Oh well, hey, I'll do it. And see, I can make those this big. This is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Or I can make them 2 1/2, 2 1/2, 3 by 3, whatever I want, because those are 1 1/2 or 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 square with threads at the top, and that's it. Okay, and I want it big enough in case the bed moves around, but it should be fine. It's you know, it's heavy enough and everything. And don't kid yourself if some areas under there aren't the same size or something, depending how old your bed is and all that kind of stuff. It might have a slight sag in it. You make sure to put all the blocks the same underneath your bed. Okay, all right, it's time for me to move over there. I've got to move some stuff over there, and I think I may have to undo that drawer too, just to be on the safe side. This side it will be a little bit easier because I'll be able to use my right arm over there and stuff, but I'll get set up for that side, and we'll go some more. Okay, thanks for joining me. Now, are you thinking what I'm just now realizing? If you've thought about this, give yourself a pat on the back. If I cut those blocks 2 1/4 inches, they're going to be over the entire carpeted area, where those little feet are only shoved right down into the carpet in those one little spots. So if I put a block in there, chances are, you know, I'm going to bow the middle of this up ever so slightly. because I'm going to have that whole 2.5 inch, 2.25 inch piece of plywood pushed down into the carpet, whereas right now the feet are the only thing that are pushed down in the carpet, like an inch by inch little squares. And I looked at these little metal ones too. These are welded on, and those are metal. I don't want to unscrew those, like I said, so I'm going to cut just little pieces. And this bed really isn't going to slide around any. This little block is going to fit right down in that little wedge of the carpet that's pushed down in there. So I'm going to cut, I'm glad I'm rethinking that. I could cut them 7/8 by 7/8 even. There's 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 3 under here. So that's 8 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7/8 by 7/8. Not very much, but enough, and it would just kind of fit into the little pocket of where that carpeted mush down area is. Okay? Okay. Glad I rethought that.